Hey guys, I just want to do a quick video on the places you can go to find cheap stuff to do your DIYs on. So we're in Michael's and I want to show you where you can get all of your thread and beads where you can make your bracelets or necklaces. They have a nice wide selection. I like getting my thread right in this section. If you want just one color, they have big sets of just the one color, like it's 100 feet of nylon, but I recommend getting the small one. You can also get cording here for anything you're going to use. This one has a leathery type texture, this one's more of a felt, and here's some tassels. Here are all the beads. They're also in the thread section. They have nice assortments, or if you just want one color. You can use these for making necklaces, or if you're just going to like glue them on to make a project. Here are the pom-poms. They have glitter ones, small ones, big ones, and one in a strand-like form. And they have glitter pens and glitter powder and glitter glue here. These are the ones I recommend. They're cheap and $2. So another thing is, if you saw my video on how to make squishies, you can also get some nice sponges here. If you make a squishy with this, I recommend to have 2 of them for one squishy. And these come in 8 pieces, so you can make about 4 squishies with those. You can also buy markers here. They're only $3, and they're good Sharpies. You can buy them with all colors and some black. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button for future content.